Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, today we will continue the next chapter, which means export-based theory. Still in theory. Okay, in this video, I will share introduction, theory, growth factor, and limitation and conclusion. The last one. Okay. Okay. Actually, this theory, neoclassical approach of regional growth. Okay, normally for a growth in the regional. Okay, the basic of the economic growth. This is a economic theory for a basic of economic growth. Firms and industry that export goods and services to other region. So that means the basic is about the export goods and services depend on the industry, whether the industry the final product goods or they deliver services to other region. Okay, this is a base theory, export based theory. Actually, export, of course, export. That's why the name export. Okay, regional income and increase in factor of production. Okay, so focus on income and also increase for the regional, and then development of production. Okay, induces demand for local industry. Okay, of course they have to product produced by a factory or services and facilities such as health, education service, and also tourism industry. Okay, depend on a type of industry will services will deliver. Okay, actually export-based theory have two type of involves basic and non-basic sector. Basic sector export goods and services outside the local area. Okay, so and then non-basic sector focus on the mainly serve local market. So have two. Okay, basic sector and the non-basic sector means service outside the local area or market in the local market. Okay, this is the growth factors. First, good and efficient transportation system. Okay, this is technology innovation in transportation and logistic industry has enabled the business to improve the quality of their service. Okay, global business and international trade depend highly on transportation service to move the flow goods within the economy. Okay, that's why this is very important to grow their industry. This is the one of the factor, growth factor lah. Okay, actually transportation system fundamental part of logistic and planning whenever used to move people or item for the location to another. Okay, so that means they allow people to get to work on time. Okay, on time using the local depend what type actually the transportation use whether bus, train, for example, okay, aeroplane, okay, so any courier lah. Okay, and the important thing is the transportation or system allow their customer and they have to know when the product will arrive, and then actually the customer can check through the system. Okay, actually the purpose of the transportation system is to coordinate the movement of people and recycle in order to utilize route most efficient. Okay, this is very important to customer lah. So we know the timeline. Okay, we know where the goods from the system. Okay, second, what the growth factor? Okay, increase in regional income. Okay, actually have three main factor to drive economic growth. Okay, first, accumulation of capital stock. Okay, second, increase in labor input such as a worker. Worker means for suitable in the right position. So if as per area in the right position can help the industry to grow the company. Okay, and then technological advance. Okay, so from the income, regional income, technology advance one of the important things they have to focus to during in COVID-19. Okay, so growth accounting, accounting of course for the financials also contribute factor to growing economy. Okay, this is actually long run growth, but this is a process to sustain. Okay, and then increase in demand of product and service from other regions. Okay, actually we have to know how to identify the target market and prepare to customer profile. Customer profile means we know who you are, we know a background, and also background, their maybe their work, salary, income, background, education, something like that. Okay, so when we know the customer, we know how, we know the demand from the other region. Okay, okay, if we don't know who the customers are, how we'll be able to assess whether we are meeting their needs? How? Because we don't know, right? And then since success depends on being able to meet customer needs and desire, we must to know who customer are, what they want, where they live, and where what they can afford. Okay, and then this is a important up-to-date technology. Okay, actually for the new norm nowadays, COVID-19, actually the industry have also effect. Okay, not all the industry, but have certain company or industry effects because of COVID-19. But actually, whatever issue they face, time to time will change and can give a good progress after they change their technology up to date, current technology. Okay, things actually move fast in the teach world. Okay, because of challenge in the industry. And then Up-to-date technology also driving for innovation in the industry, in the business goals and competitive. Okay. So actually, many innovation terms struggle to bridge the gap between challenge in impactful solutions without timely and relevant time insight. It can be hard to bring new ideas to the table and fresh perspective the team existing knowledge base, but I think this is a process if they never stop learning, because new technology, we have to learn what the technology requirements and system, for example. Okay, and then development of infrastructure. So infrastructure such as road, ICT, water, sanitation, the development of a country's infrastructure is vital of the growth of the sector and the overall economy. Okay, the infrastructure sector primarily comprise of electricity, road, telecommunication, railway, and so on. Okay, this is for a growth factor. Okay, as for nodal center development, actually this is a trading center for distribution of export product to other region. Okay, center of distribution of import product to other part of the region. Actually based on export product. Okay, contribution of export promote region to have specialized product and service which contributes of dynamic region income. So actually they have to know what the specific product and what the product can can get more demand from region or other region. Okay, export income enable the region to increase purchasing and import products that are not being produced locally but essential for development of the region. Okay, this is if information technology is used in the regional production trade, it will help to increase the regional product and marketing capacity. Okay, of course, first I have to promote its product and service. Other region or local market have to know what the product and services deliver, and then utilize online facilities to sell and receive order. Okay, during COVID-19, 90 or 100%, 90%, they use online facilities. So many tools they can use for their product sales or get demand for their product and service. Okay, develop and enlarge its market system and join product and service with other region or companies. Joint venture. So when joint venture, they have new idea, new energy, and new environment. Okay, this is a factor contribute reduce in market demand, change in demand from other regions. Depend on actually demand for the goods and services. We have to know from the customer. Okay, give what they want, not give what I want to give. Okay, depletion of natural resource, change in technology advancement. Okay. Actually, for change the technology, we have to follow the current situation, not change if you need to change, but depend on market demands. Okay, this means that a region needs to update and upgrade its product and services, and also its technological facilities and equipment to be made to the market. Okay, this is the limitation in this theory. Export is not the main only determine factor for regional income, economic growth. So have other income, okay? It does not take into consider to other supply factor and facilities. The theory divides a region into two main, the region, study area, and other region, the world. Okay. Okay, this is a limitation. Okay, depend on everything depend on export. Okay, everything depend on export. Okay, and does not apply to all region and situations, small region and specialized region. Okay, because of sometimes different needs. Okay, not every region can export. It assume perfectly elasticity to the supply change in price. Okay. Okay, the model does not explain how specialization happens. A simple form, a raw material export. Okay, is ignore internal factor, local entrepreneurial and activity and government development program. Okay, what the advantage? Often been used as regional economic development model due to its simplicity. Okay, attract many development experts to adopt this model. Easy to understand because it is a basic theory in economy. Okay, and also important economic relation between sector in practical meaning in high specialized region. Explain the importance of the sector and show the effect of the change in the important sector. Okay, that's all. So I will share after this for the next chapter.